when he touched the plate, they hit the plate a little bit, it was making a crispy sound. Yeah, and each plate was making a different sound because depending on the amount of platinum on this plate.
我们可以看一下它胚的那个薄度。
Wow, so thin.
Yeah. It's like as if it's made from sugar, you know, like so easy to break, like
It
an
also
eggshell.
reminds, yeah,
Eggshell.
exactly. Reminds me of eggshell.
Hello.
Girls, we made an appointment with Mr. Zhen. He is a master of Underglaze blue decoration. Master Zhen, his work is so delicate, so beautiful, so classy. I can describe it as perfection.
She told us the story about the store, about the pieces that she makes, and there was one product. It was a set of small plates, and they were inspired by the cycle of the moon. So they were starting with the small moon, and it was growing, and the middle one was the full moon. They used the material from the seashell, so it has a lot of different colors when you look at it. And also they used platinum. When he touched the plate, they hit the plate a little bit, it was making a crispy sound. Yeah, and each plate was making a different sound because depending on the amount of platinum on this plate.
因为它烧之前它是脆弱的，所以我们可以看一下。
That's a jump scare.
我们可以看一下它胚的那个薄度。
Wow, so thin.
Yeah. It's like as if it's made from sugar, you know, like so easy to break, like
It
an
also
eggshell.
reminds, yeah,
Eggshell.
exactly. Remind me of
Yeah,
eggshell.
eggshell. And Mr. Zhen is also a master of Underglaze blue decorations, right?
Yes， 所以今天大家可以带你们做一个彩绘的一个体验。对。
Oh, I can try. Yeah, so cool.
Thank you so much.
这个从中国的话，大概从唐朝时期就开始了，然后到了元朝的时候，就是以这个作为青花瓷的这个外销，然后到全世界，然后作为一个贸易这样。好，我来介绍一下这颜料的部分，你们可以看到有一个是蓝色的，然后一个是黑褐色的。那黑褐色我们在画的时候，我们称为古青花，就是以前古老的配方。然后它画出来之后，然后是黑褐色的，但它烧完之后，它就会还原成这一个蓝色的部分。那这个胚体是原本是土胚，然后经过850度的速烧，让它变成比较坚硬一点，然后它才方便运输跟绘画。对，那之后的话会经过高温的窑烧，然后会上一层这个透明釉下去。然后经过1260度到80度的高温，然后才会烧成。好，那我现在开始先示范一下画这个浮雕青花彩绘的部分。
It's not that simple to draw a flower. There's a special technique, like with the divider, you draw circles, you divide them, and there is a special way to draw a flower.
A huge comparison between me and Master Zhen. He's so neat, so patient, so slow, and he loves what he's doing and is so good at it. And he taught us how to do it. And I am a very rushy person. I have no patience to sit on a chair and paint for hours and hours. I finished my plate pretty fast, but I will still call it a masterpiece because I enjoyed every moment. And it's very unique, it's one of a kind. No one can ever make the same as mine. I am holding a very exquisite box, and in there is my Underglaze blue decoration. Wow, sounds so high-end level, right? But I already know when I open this, you will think this is made by a 10-year-old, but I'm 20 years old. Yeah, that's my level of art.
I've been really looking forward to this plate that I designed with the girls. It was a very interesting experience, especially knowing how impatient I am myself.
I'm really excited to see what's inside this box, and I was really worried that I was not gonna get it because the owner of the store told us that during the glazing process the plate can break, so we never knew if we would get it or not. But because I have the box, I hope it's not an empty one. And I have the plate inside, so I'm really excited to check it. Okay, I need to be very careful.
I'm actually really scared. I hope it's not too bad.
Dun, 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 dun. What?
Oh my God! It's way more beautiful than I expected it to be.
This is my plate. It's very cute. It's quite simple. It's kind of like me, either though I'm a grown-up, but I'm like a kid a lot of times.
Well done. I think the teacher might have helped me to, make it look better than I thought. Wow, thank you so much, teacher.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. I didn't expect it to turn out that good.
Well, this is a very special experience, but I don't think I should be doing it that much.
And I should be very careful with it because I'm shaking it like this, but I'm really excited to see it, and it turned out way better than I expected, so I'm really proud of this work. And yeah, if you want one, ask me, I'll make it for you. Yes.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, the closer you look into it, the worse it gets. I thought I could make this a present and give it to my family or something, but now I feel ashamed of myself, so I might just, keep it to myself. Just pretend you have never seen this. Bye.
Thank you so much.
Wow, thank you so much, teacher.
Yes.